For those who watching my channel for some time, you know that this year is really crazy for the mechanical keyboards in general. We have so many new models on the market that it became really hard to choose something particular. And that's why I'm trying always to show you something with some unique features, right? Or design, or technology, or just something really new, because otherwise it does not make sense, right? So please welcome Wasteland 5098B from Akko brand. And you know Akko brand very well. They always doing a really unique, from at least from design point of view, but from technology also. You can check on my channel other Akko switches and keyboards, but today we have this super style Akko full-size gaming mechanical keyboard with style of this game, Wasteland. I never played this game, but I checked. It seems at least 3 versions of this game, and it's very old one. It looks like a Fallout. I played a lot. I spent a lot of hours playing Fallout, but this one I never tried. But you guys, if you know this game and if you want to have a piece of this game within your keyboard, this will be just for you. Let's start from the overall look point of view. First of all, as I mentioned, this is a full-size keyboard, and I really don't like a full-size keyboard. They remind me, you know, something old and more related to accounting than gaming, but this one changed my mind. We have a knob on the right side. It's plastic one. You can use it as a volume up and down, and also as a play, stop and play, right? But also we have a screen. Yeah, guys, we have a vertical screen, right? And you can change a lot of stuff, a lot of settings of this keyboard through the screen. And the screen itself is pretty big one. It's not a small one, you know, as usually we have on the right corner of the keyboard. This one is pretty big, and also I would say high quality, because I can clearly see everything on the screen. So you can change brightness, you can change animation, light, colors. You will be able to see a date and time and battery level and connection, because this is a wireless keyboard. You have Bluetooth, 3 channels, you have wireless, you can wire it, you can win and mark, you have a switch on the back side, and you have a dongle in a on spot, which is great. But also, just check this out, you can download, or rather upload, any GIF, you know, to this screen. For example, I did my name like 5 minutes in Photoshop or something like that, and in a driver you will be able to I will show you in a second, and then you will have this pretty nice animation with a high quality. It seems this screen is better quality than usual, that's why I'm saying. From the back side, which is also interesting, we have a metal case. This keyboard is coming with metal back side, right? We have this weight. Inside this keyboard you will find a 8000 mAh battery, which is a huge. Obviously, maybe this is okay for such big keyboard. Okay, coming back to the front side, obviously we have this PBT keycaps in full style of this game. This is, I assume, a single shot PBT keycaps. Obviously, they are not shine through and not side printed. They are just with pretty interesting legends, if you like this theme, right, in general. So under the keycap you will find this piano black and white Akko linear pre-lubed mechanical switches. They are 5-pin with 35 ground force, which is just good, just perfectly good for linear switches. We have this RGB light guide. It will be really easy to eject switches from this keyboard with this puller. Under the switch we can see that we have a switch pad. It will help a lot with the sound. Also, we have a gasket mounted structure, but this keyboard is not super flexible, so don't worry if you don't like this. We have south-facing RGB, which opens a way to side printed legends if you want, but of course it doesn't make sense, because if you are going to order this keyboard, it seems you like this theme, so it doesn't make sense to change anything from this keyboard. It's just good as is, straight from the box. Also, inside the box you will find 5 another switches, spare switches, in case you will broke one of the which is coming together inside the keyboard, right? But also you will have this transparent keycaps in orange color, and I will show you this at the end of the video, how this keyboard will look like with these keycaps, because they're pretty good and RGB is pretty bright, so I will show you this bonus content at the end. Okay guys, now let's connect this keyboard to my PC. Let's check driver for this keyboard and let's do a sound test. And sound test will surprise you. Okay guys, from the driver point of view, it's okay, it's fine, but for me a little bit messy. I'm not sure I understand how to change all options, but you can do main stuff, you can change the function, you can do the macros, you can do the lighting, you can even create your own account and save and share this with other users, right? But what is really cool, that you can create your own pictures, right? You can really like draw the your own GIF, what will be on your screen, and you can see I create. It's pretty simple to create this GIF, what you can see right now on the screen, right? With mine. In general, you can do a picture, you can do animation, right? You have other settings, you can clear it to revert back, and I noticed only one side effect, that if this GIF will be a big one, it will take a lot of time to upload this to the keyboard. Okay guys, let's do a quick sound test with these keycaps and these switches, and then I will swap some of them to the transparent one what I showed you earlier. Okay guys, you heard the sound. It's really proper sound of mechanical keyboard. If you're looking for the gaming, nice looking but also a very well sounding keyboard, you definitely need to check this out. But now let's apply another keycaps to this keyboard. Okay, here you go. Yeah, it's pretty interesting, you know. I like a lot these keycaps with these pictures on them, right? Because they're really made with great attention to the details. But also, I like this one, transparent one, because we have this great why not? And you have these two options, right, from the box, which is great. You don't need to buy anything separately, which is just cool. Okay, guys. That's all for this review of Akko Wasteland 5098B mechanical gaming keyboard from Akko brand. Link for this product will be in the description under this video. Also, please share which one of keycap set you like more, transparent or original one. In general, I can say that this is a really good high quality keyboard from the build, function and even set point of view. You will have additional switches, additional keycaps, 8000 mAh battery inside and wireless connectivity. What else you may need for such great keyboard? Obviously, if you are a fan of this game or you want to have a keyboard with really special theme on a keycaps.